Alright, good morning. Welcome to the video. So yesterday, Saturday, pretty much all day, I had a patient in the morning, a new patient in the morning, and then I was at this football camp, which was pretty much all day, helping out one of the coaches. I was adjusting and filming like social media clips for one of the coaches. So, long busy day. Today is Sunday. I have a client this morning. I still have a morning voice. He's an at-home client, which I don't promote anymore just because I'd prefer not to do it because I have my own place. But he's really cool, and he lives in Woodbury, so it's literally like a 5-minute drive for me, so it's not a big deal. And it's right in the morning, so get it out of the way. Someone else tried to schedule today, and I'm like, sorry, I'm not doing Sunday appointments anymore because I'm a human and I need to have a life. So I'm gonna quickly see him, and then we are going to do, my boyfriend and I are going to do some lighter deadlifts at my gym. I'll probably get him adjusted. Welcome to the video. Give it a thumbs up, and I hope you enjoy it. Do a HIIT workout on Sundays. So today's workout was 10, I can't even talk, I'm so freaking tired. 10 deadlifts with 135, then straight to treadmill sprints, but like the dead treadmill, like it's not turned on, just 10 seconds, and then a core exercise for 10 total sets. It probably took me like 30 minutes, I'd say, but I'm dead. That was really tough. And you just did singles on the deadlift?
Singles. I warmed up a bunch of reps, but yeah, I did a bunch of singles.
What'd you work up to? Is that what you worked up to?
Whatever.
So that'd be
With the 10, so probably about 340. I don't know. It was lightweight.
lightweight. Yeah. So yeah, that's basically what I do on Sundays. I don't lift heavy. I try to like kind of take a break from heavy weights and just focus on like conditioning stuff. And I like felt super out of shape in that workout. I was like breathing a little bit harder than I should, but gonna adjust you and then see where the day takes us. Sunday fun day, right? Woo! Mm-hmm. Also, I got a nice new addition to my office so that I'm not squinting at my little MacBook Air like 13-inch screen. This is a 32-incher. It's like a curved screen, but that way I can stream like shows too, like ESPN. That's what I usually stream while I'm with patients or whatever. But man, I don't think the camera does it justice. It's like taking over my whole desk. It's pretty big. That's what she said. But yes, I like it. Except the only problem is I'm having trouble like being able to to actually stream it. Like it's not responding, so I'll have to do a little bit of research. You ready?
Yeah.